to this, and I've zeroed it all out. The machine, like John said, is actually tied into the computer, and when we're all done here, we're going to print out a copy of the stress strain curve that the computer gives us. And we'll get you a copy of that. You will see up here, as the test is running in real time, there's actually a curve. It'll come up with like a graph, and you'll actually see, those of you that are close at least, will actually see a graph being plotted in real time. Okay, but again, you'll get a paper copy of it, so don't worry about that. Anyway, we'll sort of point out what's going on as we continue on. Okay? The test is already pre-programmed, so it runs at a certain rate. It goes fairly quickly at the beginning, and depending upon the specimen, a failure could take a couple minutes. It might take a little bit longer than that, but we'll see. So anyway, I'm starting the test right now. Again, this will click up. Okay, you can see, those of you that are close, you see this red line. There's actually a black line, and you can see that black line's tracking the red line. I mean, that's a straight line, and you can see that now it's starting to deviate a little bit. We're up to about 14,700 pounds, but we're definitely yielding. You can see that black line's really curved from that initial straight line region. I have to take that extensometer off because it's too expensive of a piece of equipment to leave it break while it's on there. Okay? So the strain is no longer being recorded. The stress actually is. I mean, if you're up close enough, you can see the little black line going straight vertical. That's because the stress is still going up, but there's nothing measuring strain anymore. Again, we could keep that extensometer on, you'd see it going out like this. Okay? But, again, that's what it is.
Oh man,
Jeez.
That blue line, those of you that are close, that are being, that was plotted as well too. It wasn't plotted, it was just sort of superimposed. That's actually the 0.2% offset line.